Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you export your private key from your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to export your private key from your Bitget wallet, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application. And after opening the application, you just simply have to tap into this 4 circle icon into the top left corner. Tap into that icon, and after that you have to select your profile section or my wallet. Just simply tap there and you will get to see this section of private key. Tap into private key and then you have to select the private key for your mainnet. Just simply select any of the mainnet that you are using. I'm selecting Ethereum, and you have to unlock it. Just simply enter your PIN or the biometric, and then you will get to see your private key. Now you can just simply copy this private key and paste it into your notes or anywhere else where you can save it. This way you can very easily export or save your private key into Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.